In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button in Google Sites. Whether you're new to Google Sites or just looking to enhance your page with interactive elements, adding a button is a simple yet effective way to direct your visitors' attention or encourage them to take action. So let's dive right in and explore how you can seamlessly incorporate this feature into your site. To begin, navigate to your Google Sites project. Once you're logged in, locate the specific site where you want to add the button. If it's a new site, you might still see Untitled in the title bar. That's perfectly fine. You'll be able to add content to this blank canvas. Next, look towards the right side of your screen. There's a toolbar that houses various design elements you can incorporate into your site. Find and click on the option that says Button. This tool is specifically designed to help you create calls to action that stand out on your web page. Once you've clicked on Button, you'll be prompted to name your button. This name will appear directly on the button itself, so make sure it's clear and concise. For instance, if you're linking to a contact form, you might name it Contact Us. After naming your button, you need to provide the link. This is where the magic happens. The URL you enter here will be the destination your visitors reach after clicking the button. It could be an integral part of your Google site, like another page, or an entirely different website. Carefully input this link to ensure that there are no mistakes. After all, you want your audience to seamlessly land on the intended page. Now that you've given your button a name and a link, it's time to bring it to life on your site. On the same toolbar where you found the button option, you'll see Insert. Click on this, and your button will be placed onto your site. Once the button is inserted, you can reposition it as needed. Just click and drag it to the perfect spot on your page, ensuring that it's easily visible and accessible. You can also adjust its size and style to match your site's theme, making sure it integrates well with the overall layout. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to enhance your Google Sites page with a button. Not only does this improve the usability of your site, but it also emphasizes important calls to action, ultimately enriching the user experience. Thanks for watching today's tutorial on how to add a button in Google Sites. I hope you found it helpful. Remember, a well-placed button can make all the difference in engaging your site's visitors. Feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher, and happy site building.